Yo, what's up guys? So today, adding another mod onto the Subie. We got the wheels. We need the coilovers. We're waiting on the hood. So the front just looks a little bit too bare. So we went ahead and picked this bad boy up. Damn. Right now we're just marking out the holes we're gonna drill through onto the bumper. So we got these ones through. We picked up some bolts, double-sided tape. We're just drilling through the holes, and we're gonna put it on the bumper, mark the holes out, and then we're gonna drill through the bumper. Alright guys, so we're just gonna line up the bumper with the lip. We just need to turn the wheel a little bit so we can drill in there, but we got our two holes marked out. Now we just need to line it up with the bumper. Other way. More? Perfect. Alright guys, so we got this side installed already. Oh my god. We have this little mutt. She's not letting us work on the car. She wants all the attention in the world. We're just turning the other side of the wheel. We're just trying to get this one installed. Now turn it in. And more. Yeah, good. Yeah. Alright, we're just turning the wheel so we can get the the holes cut in there. This little mutt's not letting us work at all. You're gonna spill your water again. Come here. Luna. Nah. Such a little rat. Can't just sit still. Come here. Come here. Come here. Up here. Up here. Come on. Come on. Come up here. Lay down. Lay down there. Just lay down. See? It's nice. Leave us be. Leave us be. I gotta drop the bolt over here. Yeah. Oh, of course, she's down again. As soon as we're back. Alright guys, so far we got both sides in the wheel well bolted on. It's actually looking pretty sweet. We just need to put some double-sided tape along the inside, and then we got two more bolts we're gonna put up right there. Alright guys, we've got the lip fully installed. Looks nice. Wraps around the sides. We got it on with these two bolts there. We put a little bit of tape on the outside, then we got two bolts in the middle, and then back on the other side. But jeez, bro, once you get your carbon hood, damn, he's got the wheels. Yeah, it's coming together. Damn. Jeez, guys.
You survived the first trip?
Yeah, made it the first little, kilometer or two. Cleans up nice. Just making that drink run. Oh, we got a little bike gang coming up here. Little 300. Oh shit. Crystal Pepsi, boys. Jesus. LA Beast. Nah, you never go wrong, bro. At voltage. Alright guys, we're just washing up the cars. We got the lip installed. Nice and flush. Looking sweet. You gonna get your coilover soon, bro?
Oh yeah.
Jeez. Need to get that fitment. Got the bike, washing that up. Dope custom wrap on it. Got all the parts sitting here. Hopefully it's gonna be running next weekend. It's literally got so much dust on it from just sitting in the garage. We got half the wrap off. I think this week I'm probably gonna take it out of the garage, put it in the driveway, wait till a nicer day, just so like the wrap can all like bake in the sun. Hopefully it'll be a little bit easier to take it off. Easy, bro. Guys gonna cheese everyone on the street. We've already had it dealt with people before. Fuck.